Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Pub Crawlers. I'm Matthew.
I'm Kevin.
Wait,
What?
Mario?
Luigi?
What's up? What's happening? Oh yeah, and
Sorry,
we have
guys.
Mark too. What you got?
Actually, today, guys, we do a drink called a Spiderbite. Being we're looking at Halloween, I hope it's Halloween anyway, because if not...
Is that why we're wearing this stuff?
Okay, I was wondering, because I'm thinking they both wearing onesies and they doesn't look too...
Whoa, it's just my alter ego.
Yes.
But we're doing a Spiderbite because I assumed it was Halloween looking at you two guys.
I think we're gonna go on Halloween.
Let's do that. Spiderbite is actually a drink, which is, energy and tequila and vodka. We're using Tarantula Azul tequila, and the Azul tequila is blue. The reason it's blue is actually, in a sense, blue curacao is in it. It's kind of like a tequila with, in a sense, triple sec blue curacao in it, with gives it a little hint of orange. You have the little citrus notes to it.
Blue oranges.
And then we're going to actually, blue curacao is actually a orange liqueur that is blue from the Isle of Curacao, in case you didn't know that. And then I know, it's kind of hard talking to y'all right now, I'll be honest with you. Huckleberry vodka. And Bang. Bang Energy.
Bang energy.
Yep. So what we're going to do, we're going to mix 1 part Tarantula Azul, half a part of Huckleberry vodka, and top it off with Bang. Blue Raz. We're actually using Blue Raz. There's several different flavors.
Yeah, I was gonna say, man, I walk by in the little convenience stores and I see 15, 20 different ones.
Yeah.
Does it really matter which one we use?
I don't know, but we can always experiment. Today we're experimenting with Blue Raz.
Okay.
But
Because it's all blue.
All blue?
yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
There's like a lot of energy on this table right now. So I know tequila gives me energy, vodka gives me energy, and definitely Bang gives me energy.
Mushrooms give me energy.
Mushroom definitely give us energy. Soon.
Oh,
You forget too
my
soon, Luigi.
God.
Don't
Okay.
worry. We always get the task done.
That's right.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put 1 ounce of Tarantula.
Okay.
Is there anything to do with real tarantulas? Yeah? No?
Not
Okay,
at
good.
all. It's just the brand Tarantula.
That's where you get the name
Actually-
Spiderbite.
Yeah.
Smell that?
Smells great.
Smells like tequila.
Yeah, actually, this is a Azul. They also have a 100 Reposado and a 100 Plata also.
Ooh, cool. I would help you, but my hands grew a little.
Yeah, no, it's okay. I got this. Half an ounce of Huckleberry. We actually experimented the other day, and the Huckleberry just enhanced the flavor.
So you said half ounce, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
1 ounce of tequila.
Mark, is that just like a regular blueberry?
Yes, Huckleberry is pretty much like a blueberry.
Okay.
Same taste profile.
See if I can open this. Oh,
You got it, Luigi.
hey!
And we
Good
top
job.
it off
Because we have magical hands.
with Bang. And Bang is an energy drink. It's actually caffeine. The can has about the equivalence of what? 3 cups? I think 3 cups of coffee.
3 cups of coffee, correct.
And it's
Clear.
I was just looking at that. It's clear. Uh-oh.
Huh. Mario, you drew the short straw.
I've been suffering from that joke all my life, man.
All right, guys. Definitely has a very good smell. to
Smells
it.
good.
It smells unreal.
No. Smells like I want to drink it. A lot of it.
I did already.
How's
That's
yours?
really good.
Yeah, it tastes very good. This could also be done as a shot.
Whoa.
I get a lot of the citrus, but maybe because I don't have as much of the energy as what you guys
No,
have.
Plenty here too.
You still have it?
Yep, you have plenty citrus. That's coming from the tequila as well as from the Blue Raz. But yeah,
And it's
definitely
clean taste.
It is.
very good.
Very clean taste.
And, I like this Bang because it doesn't have that typical taste of an energy drink. Energy drinks I find are very carbonated and they have that artificial element to it, which I can't really figure out what it is.
And this is
whether
no
it's
sugars?
Yeah,
No
no
sugar,
sugar. Whether
correct.
it's guarana or taurine, this has no guarana, no taurine, but it has creatine.
But I don't have that chalkiness either as you get with
Exactly.
some mixed
Right.
drinks with
I
energy.
mean, obviously you can tell we work out. We have to for our job.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
But
I agree.
it doesn't taste like mushrooms, though.
Does not taste like mushroom.
Yeah.
Nope. Just like I said, for Halloween, Spiderbite.
That's a good little drink to sip on, but I bet if you was in a little ballroom, you could probably make a shot out of this.
Yeah, you can definitely. And basically the same mixture, and especially like if you're having a Halloween party, do a batch
Okay.
instead of mixing each drink. Do a batch. Just remember, 1 part.
1
Half
ounce.
a part?
Half.
Yes, half an ounce. And then
And
the
just mix
rest.
the rest.
Mhm. And if you want to make 6 drinks, what is it? 6 ounces, 3 ounces, and then the rest,
Very
energy.
cool. I don't know if you can see that or not. Very cool. Well, anything else you'd like to add or tell us about that we don't know?
I don't think so, sir. This one, pretty self-explanatory.
So it sounds like we have to get back doing our jobs.
Okay.
All right.
Drinking?
Yeah.
Oh, I
what,
thought-
what else do you think I was talking about?
Well, we are Mario and Luigi.
Oh,
Oh, my
Maybe
God.
Princess is still in the castle.
did you check on her?
I've been drinking Spiderbite.
We'll have a lot of energy.
Okay.
We're going to check on Princess. But Mr. Mark, as always, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Hey.
Enjoy.
You gonna leave me hanging?
I'm sorry, man.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
Ah,
Forgot something?
don't forget, next video, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Or subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. That's it.
Yeah.
But check this out. Look, very delicious, very refreshing. Like I said, making a shot or a good drink. We're gonna drink this and go find the princess, or 2.
Okay.
Yeah. As always, guys.
Keep crawling with us.
Cheers.